Now to explore more pretty little and big details of the royal palace. How many rooms total in the palace? How many floors and wings? It seems to be never ending.
Yeah, it is. Depends on what you call a room. The official number is 608 rooms.
Wow.
But if you like, you can probably go up to about 1,500 rooms or
Wow.
areas. There's a lot of art and furniture, different styles, probably from the 17th century, 16th, 17th century actually.
But the royal palace didn't start off so grand. Remember Birger Jarl?
Hello.
The founder of Stockholm? Well, historians say his fortress was built right here where the palace now stands.
Wow.
And bits of that original castle survive underneath today's version.